Slice 1.5 pounds of sweet onion, add to a heavy bottom pot with 3 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. You'll also need 1 quart of brown stock, about 1 cup dry white wine, 3 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Set the onions over medium-low heat, cook covered for about 15 minutes. Uncover, add sugar, a pinch of salt, turn the heat to medium. Cook stirring constantly for 30 to 40 minutes. Sprinkle on the flour, stir for 3 minutes to cook the flour through. Then add the boiling stock off heat along with the wine. Season to taste, and simmer for another 30 to 40 minutes, skimming the fat off the top occasionally. Once it's done, add a few tablespoons of cognac to finish, and correct the seasoning. To complete the meal, add the soup to a heat-proof tureen or ramekin, top with a circle of toasty French bread that you've rubbed with a garlic clove, as well as a mess of shredded cheese of your choice. Throw the tureens of soups under a broiler, garnish with your herb of choice, and enjoy.